Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include heated steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor. You are going to love the 2023 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.